Today we will see about mobile learning. Today, the growth of information and communication technology has completely reshaped the area of education. Even though the traditional form of education exists today, mobile learning is the union of mobile computing technologies and e-learning. This type of learning environment enables the learner to access the learning material from anywhere at any time. In this mobile learning topic, we are learn about what is mobile learning, scope of mobile learning, need of mobile technology, area of mobile learning, potentiality of mobile learning, delivery of content through the mobile learning, and use of mobile in education. First, what is mobile learning? Mobile learning is the learning accomplished with the use of small, portable computing devices. These computing devices include smartphone, personal digital assistant, and similar handheld devices. The mobile learning, the learning that happens across location or that takes advantages of learning opportunities offered by portable technology, which is named as mobile learning. Mobile learning focuses on the mobility of the learner, interacting with portable technology and learning that reflect a focus on how society and educational institutions can accommodate and support an increasingly mobile population. Mobile learning as a useful component of the flexible learning model, and also stated that it was a subset of e-learning, a steps towards making the educational process just in time, just enough, and just for me. The scope of mobile learning. The scope of mobile learning, in the fast developing technological and communication world, learning through mobile phone is, is, is across the large boundaries. The scope of mobile learning includes using mobile device in the classroom to enhance group collaboration among students and instructor using packet PC. And the job training for someone who access training on the mobile devices just in time to solve the problem or gain an update. Learning outdoors, that is during the travel and other free times. Use of personal technology to support informal or lifelong learning, such as using handheld dictionaries and other devices for language learning. Improving level of literacy, numeracy, and participation in education among young adults. So, provide audio visual in order to enhance training that has been provided in classroom environment. In this way, the mobile learning is having a wide scope for the learner all over the world. It has high potentiality to grow to great extent. Moreover, it will also stimulate other fields to grow and strengthen the personality of the user in the right way. Need of mobile technology. Mobile devices are less expensive to buy and maintain than traditional computers and require less electricity or power to run. A future particularly beneficial to rural areas without guaranteed source of power. In the last 10 years, The development of mobile phone technology has been unbelievably swift, from analog to digital and from plain and simple cell phone to the current 4G smartphone, which can serve as a mini computer, telephone, or camera and transfer data as well as video and audio files. There seems to be constant stream of new technology breaking into the mobile phone market. It is sure that almost all communications will be through the mobile in the next 10 years. Mobile technology will become one of the basic essential for every individual. Then, area of mobile learning. There are a variety of areas where the mobile learning has been exploring the great extent. Some of the area of growth include social networked mobile learning, testing, survey, job aids, and just-in-time learning. Sending and receiving the text and picture messages as short message services, multimedia messaging service to multiple learners simultaneously within the short span of time. Audio, audio and video conversation, that the face-to-face interaction of the teacher and students, even when outside of the classroom hours. Then, potentiality of mobile learning. Multitasking is the operative verb toward the contact with the camera, computer, and music player, all packed into the handheld phone software to games, entertainments, to accessing content across genres. General packet radio service connection and an internet plan, and one will have the world under the fingertip literacy. Then web technology. The recent innovation in program application and social software using web technology such as bloggers, wikis, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. The social network sites are dynamic and give the future help to the learners. Then, these features help the end user to have more effective interaction where they can be able to communicate, converse, and collaborate with each other in efficient manner. India will be the third largest internet user base by 2013 after China and USA. Nearly 50% of internet users in India access the web, web from their mobile devices. The mobile phone is drawing the internet into its small screen and turning into a tool that offers more than call and SMS. Then Bharat Sanjay Nigam Limited, BSNL, the first company to launch third generation or 3G spectrum service in India of 3.5 megabits per second speed on the network. 3G technology will bring in high data transfer rates over longer distance, efficient bandwidth with us, map and positioning service, and multiplayer gaming. It will also enable high resolution video and multimedia services in audio streaming and video capabilities on the movie. The delivery of content through mobile learning. The mobile learning is enabled by the use of portable computing devices such as VDA, smartphone, and table BC The use of computing in teaching and learning is being extended to space beyond the traditional classroom. And within the classroom, the teacher and learner are gaining more flexibility and new opportunities for interaction with each other. Portability and immediacy rather than localizations are the essential motivating factors in mobile language learning. The lessons are provided in bite-sized format, a fact appealing to busy students to download the content easily. Lessons typically delivered several times a week or even daily includes translation and provide options for further content based on application. The practical and administrative matters such as simplified and flexible student-teacher communication by the way course updates and reminders refer to related websites and other up-to-date instructional resources. In language learning, the futures of mobile technology enable to communicate language practice, access to authentic content and task completion. Though all of us are using mobile technology for only personal talking, the days are not far off to use this technology for internet usage. Then only the communication sharing will be enormous and the effect will be great. Features of personal digital assistant. The personal digital assistant such as Handspring Wizard or RIM BlackBerry generally include at least a name and addresses database, to-do list and note taker. The calendar functions on a BDA and additional time-saving capability. It's well synchronizing and moving the data from the BDA data book to a desktop or laptop computer. BDA software designed specifically for teachers who can aid the process, and their camera allow users to take photos and make notes on the same screen. The perfect stream. Adoption of mobile learning. Service suppliers, content suppliers, technology suppliers. Then use of mobiles in education. Access to teaching learning resources. Educational content file can be downloaded and read offline. Similarly, you may visit any website and retrieve information that you search for. Educational video, audio, etc. can also be watched through mobile. So you may use mobile to access any educational content. Okay. Interactivity and communication. Mobile technology has expanded the scope of communication among the various stakeholders of education. Teachers and students can communicate, share, exchange information and learning material beyond classroom timing. For that, various social media apps need to be used. Similarly, those apps can also be used for communication among parents. For this, you need to use chat apps or create social media groups. The most popular social media are WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Then, to conclusion. The mobile technology is the latest technology in communication network which enhance the various aspects of innovation strategies in sharing and interchanging information through the web of mass media. The four approaches will adopted in the technological factors such as emerging, applying, infusing, and transferring will represent to make knowledge free and attainable to all those who require is to obtain from educational resources at any time, anywhere, and accessible through this mobile technology. Thank you.